Hey guys, I've made this video about operating a satellite phone because a lot of people, when they get satellite phones, the first thing they do is they turn it on, switch it on, and they use it inside, and they don't get any signal at all, and they freak out and think that the thing doesn't work. But this is the correct way to operate a satellite phone. First thing you're going to need is you're going to need to point it at the sky. You need to open the antenna if it's got an extendable antenna like this one. This is an older Inmarsat one. Turn it on. And then, while it's powering up, we do have to wait for it to get a lock-on signal, and that means literally pointing it at the sky because it's communicating with satellites. It's nothing like a cell phone. So, as you can see, this one is searching for satellite. I don't know if you could see that there. Searching for satellite. The screen's flashing. Well, it's not for me, but it is on the camera. And simply hold it up. It takes a while, and this is the thing, you've got to be very patient for it to lock onto a signal. Searching for the satellite. This is how long it takes. It's locking onto GPS fix, and it'll give a tone when it's ready. This particular phone will give a tone when it's locked onto the network and registered and ready to make phone calls or texts, depending on what you want to use it for. So any moment now. This is how long it takes, guys. Maybe some of the newer phones are a little quicker, but this is how long it takes. Satellite communications are not as simple as cellular networks. I guess they're simple, but in the fact that you can use them anywhere in the world as long as you can see the sky. I think the only place that you can't use them is probably the most southern part of Antarctica, but most of Antarctica is even covered. So you heard a beep there. So it's registered the network. Now I can make a phone call. It says ready for service. That's how long it takes. Now, if I put the antenna down, I'm not going to be able to make calls. If I walk indoors, I can't make calls anymore. Anything where I don't see the sky, I'm going to lose reception. So if you're using a satellite phone for emergencies, for hiking, whatever, you must make sure you have a clear path to the sky in order to make a call. That goes for any satellite phones. All right, thanks for watching.